In this video, I will explain how you can create this kind of animation in After Effects. So as you can see, this Twitter lower third has been created in this particular project. So let us see how you can do this in After Effects. So first of all, I will be telling you how you can do this animation for this white rectangle which is skewed. So this is the layer where that animation is happening, and if I hide other layers, you can notice that right now just this rectangle animation is being shown. And how it is being done is that if I take you to this layer, you will notice that we have got this rectangle in here, and if you look at this rectangle, in this transform there is this skew which has been added for this rectangle. So with the skew you can slant the rectangle borders, okay, like this. So that thing is done over here, and also the scaling is happening. So the X position is happening, as you can see here. So as you can see, at 1 second in the timeline, the scale is 0, the X scale is 0 and Y scale is 100%. And all we are doing is that as we move ahead in the timeline, we are increasing that scale of that X. The scale property value is changing. That's it. So this animation is quite simple. Now let us move on to the next one. So the next one that I will be talking about is this Twitter logo. So I'm gonna hide this white rectangle and let us run this one. So as you can see, this is how this animation is happening. So the logo is scaling up and then moving into the left direction. So let us see how you can do this. So this is in a separate composition, as you can see, logo composition. So let us go to that composition, logo composition. As you can see here, we can open multiple compositions. So right now we are in this final one composition. So if you want to go to the logo composition, just click here, and you can see that there are two layers. First one is this Twitter logo. This is basically an image, and there is another shape layer which is again rectangle, which has been skewed. Now I have already explained how you can skew this. Only thing that is happening here is that scaling and rotation. So let us see how we are doing this one. So scaling and rotation. So if you want to like view this property, scale, rotation, all you have to do is that press S to, that will show the scale, and if you want to show the rotation as well at the same time, you have to press Shift key and then press R. So it will show these two properties. And all we have done is that we have added these keyframes, as you can see, at different point of time in the timeline. So over here you can see that the scale is almost 0 and rotation is minus 90 degree. And as we move ahead in the timeline, as you can see, the scale is changing, like increasing, and also the rotation is happening as well for the logo. And for this shape layer, what is happening is only the scale part is happening, okay. So earlier the scale is 0%, as you can see here, and as we move ahead in the timeline, the scale is increasing. And after some point of time, what is happening is we are also moving this particular logo as well as this rectangle on the left hand side, and that is why we have pre-composed it. So the main purpose or the benefit of pre-composition is that we can apply some effect or the animation to both these layers at the same time, and that's why we have done the pre-composition. So if I go to this final one composition, you can see that we have applied that transform animation where we are changing that position, okay. As you can see here, the position value is changing as we move ahead in the timeline. That's it. So that is also done. Now the final thing is how the text is getting revealed. So basically all we have done is that we have applied this alpha matte on this text layer, and just above this text layer there is a shape layer. So with the shape layer, what we have done is that we have applied one animation. So all that is happening here is that we are scaling the X position of that shape, and as that animation is happening on that shape layer, what is happening is the text is getting revealed because of this alpha matte. That's it. That's how you can do these kinds of animations in After Effects. Thanks for watching.